The Internet of Things, IoT, has become an increasingly prevalent concept in today's connected world, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and the environment around us. IoT, Internet of Things, refers to the interconnected network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and connectivity which enables them to connect and exchange data. This exchange of data occurs over the Internet, allowing for remote monitoring and control of these devices. Key aspects of IoT include 1. Connectivity. IoT devices are connected to the Internet, allowing them to communicate with each other and with other systems. 2. Sensors and data. IoT devices often contain sensors to collect data which can be used for various purposes, such as monitoring environmental conditions or tracking usage patterns. 3. Automation and control. IoT allows for automation and remote control of devices, enabling users to manage them from anywhere with an internet connection. 4. Applications. IoT has a wide range of applications, including smart homes, industrial automation, healthcare, agriculture, and more. IoT has the potential to transform various industries and improve efficiency, convenience, and decision-making through the use of interconnected devices and the data they generate. Connectivity is the glue that holds IoT together. There are various connectivity technologies that enable devices to communicate and share data. Wi-Fi, cellular networks, Bluetooth, and even satellite connections are all part of the IoT connectivity ecosystem. Each technology has its strengths and limitations, and choosing the right one depends on factors like range, power consumption, and data transfer speed.